Hey guys, I'm Lyle from the Sign Pad here in Collet. I'm just going to be showing you how to install these decals. We've teamed up with Forbes Pharmacy, City of Langford. We're just trying to get these out to all businesses that are still open and that have lineups and stuff like that. So it's just to make sure remind people about social distancing. So I'm just going to show you how to lay down these decals. They're removable adhesive, so once you put them on your floor, they're not going to leave adhesive and stuff like that done. So once you're done and you want to pick these up, you just peel it up off the floor. And once it's peeled up off the floor, it's not going to leave adhesive behind. So what you want to do is quickly just give it a quick clean here. You don't need much. You can use Windex, you can use something like that. I just have a generic cleaner here. And you basically just want to make sure that there's no dust or other dirt where you're going to be installing the decal. And most important thing, just make sure it's dry. So once you have got it clean, you just want to peel off your decal like that. And you want to slide it into place. You can move this around. It's a slidable adhesive, so you can position it. A lot of tiles in stores are also 1 foot, so you can line it up with tiles, and you can just leave it there. And then you can use a credit card. I happen to have a squeegee, and you just work from the middle out like that. It's got a remove or an adhesive in it that has a liner, so you can move all the air out. It's got little air channels, so you don't have to worry about bubbles forming. It's real easy. And just keep working your way out like that. That's all sat down, it's good to go. And then, if you want to make sure that you're obviously keeping 6 feet between each of these two other places. So you can use your tiles on your floor. A lot of time, they're always 1 foot. So you can measure those out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then place your next one right there, or you can use a measuring tape as well. I'm not going to clean this one just to show you that it sticks well, even if you got a little bit of dirt. Again, just float it into place. You can move it around. That looks good to me. And then same thing, just work middle out. And there you are, you're good to go.